happy homemakers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a book review for the Joanna Gaines homebody that we have all been waiting for. I actually am one of the people that pre-ordered it because I knew that I would want to review it for you guys. And first of all, I am not normally a book reviewer. If you guys are new to my channel or you came over from BookTube, I don't normally do this kind of review on my channel. My channel is all about mommy lifestyle. I do a lot of morning routines, cleaning motivation, and meal planning, inspiration type stuff, but I thought that this book kind of fit into that niche because I am all about home decor and making your home a beautiful place. So if you're not a regular on my channel but you are interested in stuff like that, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and give this video a like if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future. So in this review, I'm going to give you guys a little overview of the book without giving too much away, but I want you guys to get a really good idea about the content and the quality of the book. And really quick, I just want to give a disclaimer that while I do like Joanna Gaines, I love her style. I think she's a very talented designer. I'm not a diehard Chip and Joanna fan. I've never been to Waco. I've watched like 2 seasons, I think, of Fixer Upper, and I like it and I get inspiration from them, but I don't subscribe to the magazines. I like their stuff, but I'm not totally obsessed. So I feel like I can give you guys a good unbiased review of this book. Also, I did do some coursework in interior design at Utah Valley University. It's been a while, but I do kind of have a foundation of design. I also work with my husband who does mobile home flipping. I get to do all the interior design elements in every mobile home, and so that's something I just really love. So I feel like I can give you guys a pretty good unbiased opinion of the contents of this book. So let's dive into the video and talk about how well written and how much inspiration you can get from this book, or if it's something that you could have thumbed through from borrowing a copy from a friend. So first of all, I haven't even shown you guys the book. This is the book right here. It is a cloth bound hardcover underneath this book jacket here. I have a few notes in there. And it's really, really beautiful. I think that either on a shelf this would look really pretty, or on a coffee table. I of course cannot keep anything of value on a coffee table right now because I have a toddler and a 10-month-old. So anyways, it's a really beautiful hardcover. I really do like the look of cloth bound books. I think they're really aesthetically pleasing. I really was surprised and excited that there was going to be a lot of stuff to go through and get inspired by in this, but it's also very readable. She kind of tells a story throughout the book. So at the beginning of the book, she goes through 6 design styles, giving you a description of every one and then a keyword of what it kind of makes you feel and how it looks, which is really great because it will really help you kind of understand and pinpoint what your design style is. And then when you go to design a room or rearrange a room even, it will give you a lot of great fresh ideas on what to make things look like that will reflect you as a person and make it a space that you really feel comfortable in and that you just want to walk in and unwind. In every chapter, she goes through a different room of the house, giving you different guidelines and talking about the elements of just pulling that room together from an interior design standpoint. But she explains everything in a way that even if you don't have a background in interior design, you're completely new to this and just want to make your home a little bit nicer, she explains everything in a way that is very easy to understand, and you have a better understanding of exactly what you want your room to look like. Something that I really learned from this book is that you don't have to have one style, and she really helps you kind of understand how to mix different styles and help them still flow throughout a room. She also gives you great tips on how to just make it more cheery, and also throws in a few DIY ideas. And one section that I was really excited about is that she has a complete section dedicated to kids and making their spaces really fun and entertaining. As a mom of 2, I really love that idea because that is something I am very interested in doing at the moment. I feel like the knowledge in this book is going to stand the test of time. At the end of each chapter, she talks about troubleshooting. So if there's a particular area of your house that you're really just kind of like, that doesn't look right, she gives really great interior design advice on how to fix the problem and make it look exactly like you want it to and make it look polished and pulled together. I feel like she did a really good job of inspiring you to make your home a really nice and inviting space without making you feel like you need to go out and spend a bunch of money on new pieces of furniture, but maybe instead reuse what you have and rearrange furniture and all of that stuff. And that's kind of what I have been doing ever since I got this book. Like, my table right now is totally set with placemats and everything, and I found a few items around my house that I thought would look really cute as a centerpiece. And so I have bought nothing since I ordered this book, but I really love the results that it has had in my home. And also my entryway looks a little bit more put together now, and again, I haven't bought anything. I just kind of repurposed a different mirror that I had in a different area that I thought, oh, I never thought of using it in the way I did. And also I really love the emphasis on practicality and just fine-tuning something to you and your family's needs specifically, rather than trying to do, I feel like when we get on Pinterest, a lot of it is like trendy blogger pins. Even if we have like a Pinterest worthy house, that might not necessarily be a place we want to unwind. And I feel like that she beautifully illustrates and gives you great ideas in this book. In conclusion, I didn't really know what I expected when I first purchased this book. Like I said, it's a lot bigger than I thought it would be, which I am thrilled with because there's so much great inspiration in this book. And from an interior design, home decor standpoint, I didn't exactly know what I wanted in a book, but she did, and I'm 100% thrilled with my purchase. I think this book is a great resource that I will go to again and again. And if you like home decor as much as I do, not only will this look really cute on a coffee table and be inviting for any guests to just kind of go through, but I think it is something that I will enjoy looking through because it is packed with so much value. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review and found it helpful. Again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you do that down below. I would love to have you be part of my YouTube family. And also, if you're interested in seeing the home flips that me and my husband have done together, I will have those videos linked down below. And I hope you guys are just having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.